Climate change is becoming the greatest global issue, and this climate change is becoming in all over the world. That's why it is to be known as global climate change. How this climate is being changing, how this environment is being changing, what are and what will be its effects or complications, what are its causes, all these things we are going to discuss in this video. And this topic is very important for the students, for the aspirants of competitive exams, AO level, and even for every student and for every citizens. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe. Learn with Dr. Muhammad Ismail. Climate change is not just an environmental issue, but a fundamental change to governance and global cooperation. This was said by Johann Dresic, an environmental political theorist. He said that this climate change is becoming an governance issue, is becoming an global cooperation issue. This is the matter of the whole world, the whole universe, and the whole world, every citizen, every state has to pay, has to work, has to contribute to resolve this issue. Otherwise, this will affect the whole globe. Climate change is the great moral crisis of our time. This is said by James, who is a NASA scientist. Means to say, this climate change is to be considered as a moral issue because it is directly affecting the human lives. It is directly affecting the ecosystem. It is directly changing the environment and increasing the temperature of the world, of this planet, which is and which will create a lot of problems, impacts and implications for all the living being. Even for non-living being, things are being affected by this. I want you to act as if the house is on fire, because it is. This is said by Greta, who is another philosopher. He said that this global warming has become so hot issue. It is just like as your house is burning, is on fire, and it is. He wants to say that this world is burning. This climate change is going to affect so much this universe. Climate change refers to alarming and long-term increase in temperature or warming of the planet and weather patterns. Now the weather patterns of the world are changing rapidly, speedily, as well as the temperature in the world, the warming in the world, the warming in the globe. Global warming is increasing, which has many complications for many systems. So simply we can define that climate change means or refers to global warming, increase in the temperature in the universe, in the world, rise in the temperature in the world. So climate, when you listen this term climate change, it means global warming, increase in warming or temperature in the world. So there are many causes of this global warming or climate change, but the major cause is human activities that release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. So the main cause of this, the biggest issue of the world and globe are the humans. All the activities of humans which are becoming the cause to release greenhouse gases. So here shortly we have to overlook and you know better about the greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide and methane and other gases as well. So all the greenhouse gases which are being released by the humans are becoming the increase in warming or global warming or climate change in the world. We had some facts and figures for competitive exam students, especially carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere reached to 421.73 parts per million in 2024. We will put some other facts as well, how this issue, climate change, is affecting the world and how this issue is becoming bigger day by day. So the need of the hour is to counter this issue, to address this issue shortly. If we talk about some other facts about climate change, more than 50% higher than pre-industrial level. Now, this is a fact. If we talk about when the warming is increasing, the temperature is increasing, then definitely the glaciers, the ice caps are also affecting by this global warming. And if we talk about an ice cap, you know better, we have two ice caps, Arctic and Antarctica. So if we talk about only the Arctic Ocean, Arctic ice is decreasing at an average rate of 30,100 square miles per year due to this global warming. Now you can consider how much this global warming is affecting the ice caps. Glaciers are shrinking worldwide rapidly because when the environment will change, the climate will change, the warming will increase. This global warming not only is changing the environmental patterns but also affecting the freezed water, glaciers, ice caps rapidly and speedily. So there are many other causes of climate change, like fossil fuel burning, which is increasing day by day, by engines, by different fuels. And when these fuels are burning speedily, then definitely they are affecting. You know better that the biggest source of to observe the carbon dioxide, that is the forests, plants. So the deforestation is also increasing in the world. Means to say the plants are being cut by the humans, and new plantation, the number of new plantation as per the requirement is not enough. Some other causes also increase in industrialization. When industry will run, then definitely gases, greenhouse gases, the availability of greenhouse gases will increase in the atmosphere. Rise in urbanization and population. We have already given details about the population in the world. You may see on my channel another video. So the population is increasing, and when the population is increasing, then definitely the greenhouses gases are increasing into atmosphere. So these are a few causes. So what are its impacts or impacts of climate change? The first impact is extreme hot weather, rise in oceans and seas level. When the frozen ice will melt, then definitely the rise of water in oceans and seas will increase, which has other implications and complications. Water scarcity, You know better. Inshallah, we will work soon. We will give you another video about the availability of water resources in the world and what salty water and fresh water. So the quantity of fresh water is decreasing, which is only the 3% of the whole water of the world. So, and when there will be unavailability of water, a water shortage, or the shortage of water, especially fresh water, then it will affect many other things as well. So, due to increase in warming in the warming in the world, or due to climate change or the global climate change, definitely migration issues will be there in the universe, and conflicts are increasing and will increase. There will be a possibility which is being expected by the scientists, especially the environment and space scientists, that there will be a day if this world will not address this global warming or climate change, then there will be a day when the in many states it will be impossible to live there. Migration must be the requirement of those states. So, migration issues will be there, conflicts will be there due to this global warming. And the rise in temperature or warming in the world will be unbearable for the humans, because humans as living being has a capacity, a limit to bear this hotness. Even increasing hotness is being countered by burning fuels. That is a short solution to resolve this, to address this climate change or global warming, and also are becoming a cause of increase in greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, as mostly luxury vehicles now are air conditioned. Mostly vehicles